Well, darn, I thought that I was under the 15-minute time limit, but it shows 19 minutes, which is not going to work, so I got to do this over again. I've been off the air for a while. YouTube thought I had died. Some people applauded that. I think others did not. I am still here and kicking. It turned out I do have Lyme disease, I still have it, but they discovered that I am intensely gluten intolerant, which is something that is being discovered, that all kinds of people are gluten intolerant and don't know it, but are now learning it, and big thing. My kitchen, foods in my kitchen are now gluten-free in a big way, and I'm feeling so much better. Anyway, YouTube thought that since I had just kind of disappeared, I guess finally decided he must have died, so they deleted my videos, although some of them still show up on the internet. And they did not delete my channel. Thank you very much. I do like YouTube, by the way, because there are real people that do watch videos on YouTube. It's, as you probably know, it's just next to impossible to converse with a real person at YouTube, but they do watch videos, and if you do or say the wrong thing at the wrong time, they can yank your channel with no recourse, and you're gone. Not good. So I have nothing against YouTube. I like them. They're good guys, and I hope to get my time limit of unlimited back again. They did not cancel my channel. Thank you very much. They put me back to 15 minutes. Or it may only be 10, but it's not very long. And my channel, as those of you that watch it know, I stay away from the funny stuff, the pratfalls, the comedy, the cartoons, stuff that draw lots of viewers. But that's not what YouTube wants to be known for. They told me, they sent me a message saying thank you for being a serious channel, which I am, which W0TM, it's Wodim, W0TM, by the way, are my ham radio call letters. The 0 is a 0 and not the letter O. Anything scientific is of interest to me. So I can't put very much in the way of scientific anything in 10 to 15 minutes, so I had no choice but to open up an account with a group called Vimeo, Vimeo.com. If you go over there and look for Wodim, you'll find W0TM channel. I have one posted thus far, which is on REMS, Rare Earth Minerals, which is everything you ever wanted to know about REMS, and a lot of stuff totally different than what hucksters play on you. REMS are not rare, and you learn all kinds of stuff. I would dearly love to be able to post it here on YouTube, but I can't. They don't allow me enough time. That I hope is going to change. I still have copies of all the videos they deleted, but most of them are longer than 15 minutes. So I've got to wait until such time they send me a message saying, we have restored your unlimited time limits. And when they do that, I'll say, thank you very much. You're good guys. You're always good guys. As I say, I do not want to make anybody at YouTube mad. That's not smart. So please consider my request for return to unlimited time, and I will make it worth your while with my very serious videos talking about all kinds of scientific stuff. Let's, with that, let me get right to the subject at hand. The title, let me just read it. The title of this is New York State Residents. Can you make citizens arrests? This has to do with the new gun laws. Citizens arrests of law enforcement officers because they forgot to exempt them in the laws. Some of the laws are in effect immediately, which means, but some of the laws you can't tell if an officer driving down the road is violating law or not. Does he have a 5-clip magazine in his service revolver, or 7-clip? As far up till now, they've not made any 5 clips for service revolvers. Maybe they do now. I don't know. But anyway, if you do that, you better have a pack of lawyers with you. I've done a lot of reading on citizens arrests, and they are humongous in reading. Above all, whenever you interface with law enforcement of any type, always be respectful, be kind, be friendly. If you're pushed off, obey the commands, even if violating your constitutional rights. There's always plenty of fish in the sea, as they say. You can go find another officer. Keep trying. Always have somebody with you that is videoing and taping everything that's going on. And make sure to get badge numbers, names, car numbers, so on and so forth, so that it may be needed later on. So be sure and do that. Always be friendly. Always be respectful. Always be polite. Be nice. I don't care what they do. If they decide to just kick you out and say, if you don't leave, I'm going to arrest you right now, okay, leave. You know, fighting with one police officer is not your goal. Reading everything I've read, I'm putting in the show notes down below an article that has appeared on what they're calling the coming civil unrest, which I can't see how civil unrest can be civil unrest if it has to do with basically your rights that you're given, or that are your rights, not just given, they're your rights by the Constitution. You know, if they're rights, they're yours. But still, be careful. If you want to make a citizen's arrest, I encourage you to read this article first. You may decide you don't want to do it. And just wait till this mass civil unrest starts up, which is supposed to be coming. In the meantime, I'm just about up to 10 minutes, so I'm going to stop here and make sure that this gets published. I'm going to try to get my unlimited time back by being a nice, respectful, friendly, good YouTuber, and go from there. So this is W0TM, fighting my gluten intolerance and feeling a whole bunch better, back in the air. You're going to be seeing a lot of me, whether you like it or not. And see you later. Bye. Take care.